What's up everyone, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to the channel. We got another haul video. This is for the month of November. Everything that I was gifted for my birthday and everything that I found for myself. So here it is, and let's get straight into it. So let's start off with the Matchbox. We got this beautiful truck, 47 Chevy AD 3100 in green. Very cool, awesome. Like the little box, very cool. And we got here beautiful 1963 Austin Healey Roadster, very cool. I like it. And we got this nice truck. Look at this one, very cool. And there's a different color as well. Like this one's black with red. I like it. It's a simple detail, the red stripe. And this is a 1968 Dodge D200. Very cool. Awesome. And then look at this one. I've been looking for this pink bug. This Volkswagen. Very cool. The piece symbol and the flowers, little hippy dippy, but I got it more for the color. And this is a 1962 Volkswagen Beetle. It's beautiful. Hope I can find more so I can gift some to my dad and my brother. And we got this Matchbox right here. This, I think it's a 4. Nice. Look at that. I love that yellow. Red rims on yellow, very cool. 33 Ford Coupe, awesome. And look at that. Yeah, it's from that. Don't know that brand, but let's see if I can zoom in real quick. But there it is. If you can read it, I can barely read it. So, very cool. And then let's start with these, the doubles. I got 3 more of these. The Party Wagon from the Ninja Turtles. So now I have enough that I can give to all my other buddies, as well as I think my brother already hooked them up with one. So these 3 are for my other homies. So we got those 3, and we got these 2 right here. These 2019 Corvette ZR1 Corvette. Very cool Corvette. I love that blue. So I picked this one. I picked up 2 for me. Very cool. Now let's go with the flames. This is one of my favorite sets that come out from Hot Wheels. So let's start off with this one. I love that green and yellow. Very cool. 73 Ford Falcon XB or XB. Dude, love those rims. The color combo is awesome. You got a little bit of a black detail on the hood. Distinguishing. The car looks pretty cool. Then I got here a 57 Plymouth Fury. Now this is the first one I find. I'm probably gonna pick it up again if I find this one. 57. Wow. And we got here the Cuda 68 Mercury Cougar. Cougar. So this was the Super a few months ago. Very cool. Got that one as a Super as well. This one's pretty cool. This is nice. Got the Dodge logo and Hot Wheels in the back. 71 Dodge Charger. Awesome. Very cool. We got a 70 Chevelle SS Wagon in black with green and yellow flames. Very cool. I like the detail on the rims, black on white. Very cool. Here we got a custom Ford Maverick. I already have a few of these. Some of these, like I said, get gifted from my pops and my brother. 49 Merc. Nice. I had to pick up two. Nice. Look at those pinstripes, those flames. Really love this casting. So I picked up two at separate times. So now let's go over here. We got this Zamak Honda 2018 Honda Civic Type R from the Honda set. Very cool. It's a Zamak. Pretty sure my brother hooked it up with this one. I don't remember buying it on the store, so it must have been a gift. 98 Honda Prelude. Nice. That blue is awesome. It's popping. All cool. The headlights on the bottom are there. The high beams in the headlights and the logo. Look at the back. Nice. Everything's detailed. Very cool. Check that out. This is a pretty good one. I like it. I wonder if that was a deal with Honda when they made the licensing so that Hot Wheels can do these castings, if they requested all the details to be put, because so far all the Hondas that I'm finding have all those details in. That is a good one. That's good in my opinion. Look at this Wagon. Datsun Bluebird Wagon S10. Very cool. We got here from Exotics, Hot Wheels Exotics, 17 Lamborghini Urus. Also with all the details, the back lights, the front lights, and the logo are all there, and the emblem. Very cool. This truck is one of my favorite trucks. Look at that. That's a beautiful casting with the paint job like that, peeled off. And there is the Mighty Max Hot Wheels Garage. Very cool. 52 Chevy. Nice. Hope I can get more of those. And this is another truck. Also Dodge 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Man, I love this one. Paint job sweet. The truck is awesome. Nice. Lifted. Cool. Now this one was awesome to find. I hadn't seen it in the internet or on any posts. This was the first time I saw it on the pegs. It up, 91 GMC Cyclone. Now all you need to do is just paint the GMC in the front. You got it in the back, I think. There you go, the GMC. Pretty cool. So that. And then when we get over here, these special ones. I mean, not special, but the full card art. I think this was the only one that I was missing from this set. So I picked it up. Go find an email. I like the truck. The paint job and everything is pretty cool. To have it for the kiddos. This one was a gift from my brother for my birthday. He gifted a few. This is a 1970 Datsun S10 Rally. Very cool. I haven't seen this set in the store. So very cool casting. And then he also gifted this one, the Mr. Bean. Like 2 years ago, I think this one was the same car was a casting. I always thought it was a Mr. Bean, and I called it the Mr. Bean car. And now Matchbox finally made a card, an official card. I love this. This is gonna go in a Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Long live the beam. So yeah, I'm gonna blister this, put it in a protector. This one was also a special one to find on the bags, because everyone is picking this one up. The 60th anniversary of Barby, and there is her Corvette. Very cool. I mean, I've seen this one before in person. My brother has it loose and has it in a cart, but he also hasn't found enough to get one, or he gave his daughters first, and that's perfect. If I had my daughter, I would have given this one to my daughter. 2014 Corvette Stingray. Very cool. Check that out. Now I got it, and in the card that I wanted. I didn't want it in that card, the traditional card. That was cool. And this is a treasure hunt. One of the most nice treasure hunts this year, in my opinion. 2013 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition. Paint jobs is sweet. I mean, we've seen this type of paint job on other castings as well of the Camaro. So, but just to see it as a treasure hunt, a regular treasure hunt, it's dope. That little symbol, dope. The rims are banging. Those are all the regular castings, I guess. And here's another dollar one. What a mystery. So now I gotta open that one up. I really don't remember picking it up. I think it was one of those times that my son Micah, the little one, just threw it in the basket. So hey, it's all good. Now over here we got this 2018 Camaro SS. It was gifted. See, they're the same stripes. This was gifted from my brother. So thank you very much. He actually got two of these, and he gifted me one. So this would be my second ID card. And let's go with these small ones. My son Micah opened this one. Very cool. And this one was Noah's. So every once in a while when we're in the store and they want to get one of these, so I get one for Noah and one for Micah. So this is part of my birthday gift. So we got here Black Panther, Lycan Hypersport. Very cool car. Look at that. Yep, got it for the passing of Chadwick Boseman. So I wanted to have a real nice car of him, or that represented him. So there you go, Black Panther. Cool. And then this was the other part of my gift for my birthday. All these was for my wife, and she picked this up. She knows I love Batman, and she picked out a great one. It was the classic Batman card, the cartoon animated series, and it has a Joker mobile, which is like the hot rod. Nice. We got the Bat-sicle. I'm also collecting bikes, so damn, that one was spot on. And then that's my favorite Batmobile, the classic TV series Batmobile. And then to have it in miniature, why not? So that's the car, and that's the 1/64 scale. And I'm guessing this is 1 in 118, I think, something like that. Very cool. Thank you. Then right there we got more of these scavenger hunt ones. Again, found more of these. Had to pick up Ramon. I don't know how many we have now, but I'm definitely going to trade and maybe give one away in my Instagram someday. So not on YouTube, but on my Instagram, and to someone that collects these cars, you know. And then these two were found by my brother. So it's like a Charger. He says Snot Rod Plain Pot. I think that's the Spanish. Plain Pot. I don't know. But very cool. Look at that engine. Look at that paint job. Nice. These I might open one and keep them closed. As for all of them, since I think I have 2 of each of everything, of all these treasure hunts, so I'm gonna probably open up one, keep the other one in the blister. So thank you to my brother for picking these up, and yeah, thanks. So there it is, everything that we've found for the month of November, and everything that we've been gifted as well. So thank you to everyone, to the family. Thank you to everyone that has been tuning into the videos to check out what I've been finding, and you know, just being there, watching. Thank you for all the support, for all the 90-some subscribers. Thank you very much. I appreciate your you know, your subscription, and you know, you checking out the videos and liking and commenting, and everyone that, you know, that leaves a comment as well. Thank you very much. So I hope you all are having a great day. Keep hunting. Good luck. And hope you guys find what you're looking for in the pegs, man. Peace. Have a good one.